Hey guys, JR Woods here. Hey, I was going to go over a few things with you, kind of show you how to use an image capture for your Craigslist ads. And what we're doing here is, this has been very effective for me as far as creating lead generation online, and also turning a lot of those leads into ultimately customers. Very effective. It's free. It's relatively easy to do. But first of all, before we get too far into it, if you guys are not already on my Facebook, I'd like you to go to my, is that right? No, that's not right. Here, JR's Internet Marketing Mastermind Group. That's right here, if my computer will work. All right, very good. There it is. And in this mastermind here, it's just developed to go ahead and share some ideas, ask questions there, whatever you want to do. But I just created that so it'd be kind of a go-to place for everybody to go and just kind of share their thoughts and offer any information that you have. All I would ask is that you don't spam or anything there. But anyways, let's get to it. If you go to techsmith.com, and I will post these links if you're watching this video on my blog. Actually, I'll put a link on my blog as well on this video, so go there and follow my blog. It's going to be also giving tips on how to do things online there as well. But if you go to techsmith.com, and if you go down here to Jing, you're going to want to click on that Jing right here and download that and install it on your computer. And when you do, you're going to get, if you can see this little sun icon up here, you're going to get that on your screen. You can left click on that once it gets there and kind of move that wherever you want it positioned to where it's out of the way. I like it kind of over here, that way I'm not accidentally clicking it every time I get on the computer. But that's what you're going to get, and that's going to be actually what you use to capture an image. The second thing you're going to want to do is go to Craigslist ad tracker. And here, this is also free, and so is Jing, by the way. It's all free. You can get this ad tracker, so because you're going to want to track how your ads are doing online on Craigslist. So download that. You can get a premium membership. You know, it costs some money to do that, and you can also become an affiliate and actually sell it. But for now, you can just get the free Craigslist ad tracker. It will track up to 10 ads. So it's a great tool, kind of keeps track of that. So that's the second thing you want to do. Once you have done that, and again, I'll have these links on my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll also try to post those websites on my YouTube video as well. But let's see here. So we're going to go to my... How do I do this? You got to forgive me here because this is the first time I'm using this program to actually record my computer screen, so I am very new at this. Let's see, how do I get that out of my way here? We'll do it this way. Here we go. Okay, that is not what I want. This is what I want here, my Word. What I've done is I did this in my word processor, my program here, and for the sake of I like to use these banner ads for the company that I'm personally promoting right now. But what I did is I just inserted this picture into my word processor, and down here, if you look at this little code here, this is what you want to copy and paste and put into your template, your ad template. Okay, it's going to be very important here, and I'll show you why. But let me show you how to use this Jing. If you go back up here to the sun icon here, and you go down to that plus sign. You're going to click on that. That's your capture. You can see that there. Okay, so we do that. Then we're going to go over here, and I want to capture just this picture. And this can be, you can put anything in your ad. You can put text. You can write an ad and do the same thing. You're just going to capture whatever you put in there. So I left click on that, drag it down, let go, and this little box pops up. So I'm going to click on the capture image right here. So I click on that, double click. So that's going to pull up the image here, right here. And what I'm going to want to do here is share this with screencast.com. So just, it's your left icon here. Don't worry about anything else on that screen. Click that. Okay, here we go. It's uploading. You can see there. Give it a second here. Now you'll see this box pop up. You're going to want to view your on-screen or your screencast.com. So you click that, and what this is going to do is going to pull up your image here, and you can see right here. Now, one thing you want to pay particular attention to when this pulls up is right here. We want to make sure that the wording up there is much longer. So what we want to do here is we're going to click on that picture, double click maybe. Okay, there we go. We double click that, and then we click up there in the address bar, and I'm going to do a control copy here because I want to copy what's in there. So after I do that, you go back to your Word document here, and right here, if I double click on that image URL, right just like that, I'm going to control V, paste what I just copied right there. So now we're on the way here. Once we get that, and guys, I know this probably at first is very overwhelming, but it is incredibly simple once you get the hang of it. So as you're watching this video, you know, just you can pause the video and go to your other screen and kind of do this as I'm doing it, however you want to do it. But it's really pretty simple. Once we do that, you are going to highlight that. Control C for copy, okay? Once we do that, and now keep in mind, you should already have your Jing downloaded, obviously, and then you should also have your Craigslist ad tracker become an affiliate, or not an affiliate, but go ahead and become. You should have already become a member of the ad tracker, so you can paste this to your ad tracker. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Craigslist Ad Tracker. I'm going to go up here to Link Tracking in the Members area. Click on that. It is working. Alright. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to create a title here for your ad. And this is so you can kind of keep track of what you've got out there and how your ad is performing. So what I usually do is I live around here in Southwest Missouri, close to Springfield, Missouri. So I put the city here. I'll put first I will put the date. September, it is 18. And I will put spring for Springfield. And then the next thing I put is I will put wherever I'm going to put this ad in. I'm gonna do it in the sales portion of Craigslist. And then let's see, what do I want to name this ad? I'll just put empower. Empower. That's good. Next thing I want to do is, if you remember, I copied this right here. Okay. I'm going to put this in my Craigslist ad tracker. So Control V that right there. I've got that. This is what's cool right here is your destination URL. What you're going to do is put your web address in that URL wherever you want this. When they click on that picture, wherever you want it to go, that's where you want your destination URL. That's what you want to put there. So in this case, I'll just put Miracle Internet Marketing. That's my website. And depending on what you're selling, what you're promoting, I use a capture page, which is phenomenal. It captures emails before they actually get into the website. So we can go into that later, but it's a great tool. So, all right. So now what I want to do is, once I've got that established, is I will generate a code here. Generate a code. There we go. Okay. That pops up. I'm just going to click in here. It highlights everything once I click in there. So now I have got the HTML code that I am looking for. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go over to Craigslist and I'm ready to post an ad. Go to Post to Classifieds. Go to Job Offered. And as you can see, I am in the Springfield Craigslist. Go ahead and click I will abide by these guidelines. I'm going to go down to sales, because that's where I put it in my line tracking. And I'll just, whatever. This is kind of a dummy ad here, but seeking sales rep. I'll put Springfield in the location. And then I just copy and paste that little HTML code into my description. Down here I put compensation to be determined. I hit continue. It should pop up. There it is. And the cool thing about it is, when I click on this, it should go right to my capture page. Let's see if I did it right. There you go. And really, guys, it's that simple. One thing I will say, when you're running ads in Craigslist, you have to be careful, because they will ghost you. And what that means is they'll ghost you. They won't let you do any more ads in there. So what I'll do is I will run an ad probably 2 times a week. I might run an ad on Monday. And then I may renew it the next day, and then on Thursday or Friday I may either renew that ad or run a fresh ad, a new ad on Thursday or Friday, and then just renew it again over the weekend. So just be careful there. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty cut and dry. What else? I do want to invite you again to join my Facebook group. And guys, if you found this information helpful, go ahead and leave me a comment, like the page, whatever. But do go to my blog and follow that. When you get to my blog, up in the right hand corner, there should be an RSS feed. If you click on that, you should be able to follow my blog. And with that, guys, I think that's it. There's going to be more to come, and I'm sorry for kind of bumbling around on this. It's, like I said, it's my first time with this particular program here, but I think it worked okay. So, guys, with that, you guys have a great evening, and God bless. We'll talk to you soon.